Yo, what's going on, buddy? Crypto Kid here, coming at you again with another video. It's been a little while since we made our last video, but we finally did secure the new laptop. We got a MacBook Pro for y'all. Let's go ahead, get right into the video. We've been enjoying these crypto gains. Life's been good, man. Like we haven't had many down days recently, and then finally it caught up to us. We did have a day or two of some negative price action, but hey, you know what? If we go up 120% and then go down 10%, I really don't see how you can be mad about that. If you want to be here for those big green days, you got to be able to bear through those red days, no pun intended. But yeah, that's just kind of how it rolls. If we are going to be investing in these highly volatile crypto assets, you got to be ready for those down days, and then you gotta have some funds on the sidelines to be able to buy back in at those low prices, so you can capitalize on days like today, where we did see kind of a bit of a resurgence across the board. It looks like alts are beginning. So look like they're about to run again. So anyways, we're going to be going ahead with our top 3 crypto picks to buy right now. You guys absolutely loved the last video. Thank you all for your incredible support in that video. We crossed, I think, 14,000 views. So the love on that one's just been insane. So I said, hey, why not bring it back for you guys? A lot of you were asking for my next picks. And thankfully enough, all of those picks ended up performing just as I had said. We basically saw 50% plus gains from every single one of those picks. Absolutely crazy. And that just kind of goes to show you guys, if you are finding and taking the time to research these quality projects, and put your money kind of in the smart choices, you're going to see those gains. Obviously there's a lot of dumb money coming in, but at the same time there's also a whole lot of smart money. And if you're in those good assets, you're going to see some incredible gains, and it can be in a short time frame as well. So we've done the same thing, guys. I've done my research. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my top 3 coins going forward. And just a reminder, I like to make these coins as kind of available as possible. So for those of you that are only on Coinbase, only on Binance, only on crypto.com, you can at least get 1 or 2 of these coins, just because I know a lot of other YouTubers will just kind of give you some random no-name coin that you have to go through Uniswap to find or something. I kind of like to give you guys coins that you can actively buy if you haven't noticed. So regardless, let's get right into it. My number 1 coin, we're going to be starting off with Algorand. So let's go ahead and find Algo real quick. We've just the run up on Algo has just been something else, y'all. I've never seen anything like it. We're up to number 26, I believe. Oh wait, my 36, that 35 now. We're starting to surge up, but up 7% today, $1.52. If we want to go to the 3-month chart, and look at this price, we were basically down below 30 cents November 22nd. And now we're over $1.52. I think we capped out at around $1.85. $1.85 is what we capped out at, and I reckon that we're gonna go even higher than that at this point. We basically had, these are all daily candles, mind you. So besides these 2 tiny red candles, we basically just had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row of just incredible growth. And it looks like we're about to start that cycle all over again, blasting even higher. This is a bit of an absurd price prediction, but if you want to go ahead and just look at Algorand compared to its competitors, Ethereum market cap $200 billion, Cardano market cap 27 billion, Polkadot 26 billion. So this right here is my range for Algorand. I've studied a lot of these projects in depth. Algorand is just as good as Polkadot, especially in terms of speed. The only thing is Polkadot, it does have its own kind of ecosystem right now. As you can see over here, there's a lot of quality projects coming up on Polkadot, so I think that's kind of its advantage right now. But if we start to see Algorand getting some more love and some more projects, I've seen no reason why this thing can't go all the way to $26 billion. And at that point, it'd be looking like a 13x from here. And regardless of if it does see tremendous growth in terms of people building on it or not, I think that this market's going to go so high that a quality project like Algo is going to get pumped, whether or not we actually see some real world utility in the coming months or not. Although obviously that's going to be very helpful in this thing going even higher. But yeah, Algorand's going to be my number 1 pick right now. I think it is still incredibly slept on at less than $2.5 billion market cap. And I think especially Cosmos being at 4.4 billion, I don't see why Algo can't get to there. And not to mention, Cosmos is going to be one of my future picks. I guess we can just segue right into that. Cosmos is going to be my number 2 coin. So this is basically the same reasons as Algorand. I know a lot of people are starting to realize, oh, wait, we forgot about Cosmos. Some people are saying we forgot about Tezos. Personally, I think Tezos is a little too private to succeed. But forgot about Cosmos, forgot about Algorand. We need to pump these things up, and they're starting to get some incredible love. Cosmos up 45.89% in the past 7 days. Algorand up 64.55%. People are starting to turn their heads, realize we are sleeping on these assets, and they are pumping. I reckon that all of these projects can get into the top 15 within the coming months. I'd honestly be a little surprised if we never see Algorand and Cosmos both in the top 15. And I don't want to say that's a lock, but I just I can very much so foresee that coming in the future. I don't know if you guys agree with me there, but yeah, I mean that's kind of one of my biggest investing strategies is just seeing, okay, which coins do you foresee potentially being in the top 10 in the future? You want to scroll down. They're usually going to be in the top 100. It's not very likely that you're going to see a random coin around 300 come out of nowhere and get into the top 10. But yeah, one of these coins, you basically just got to look at and be like, all right, Bancor, super quality project. Kyber Network, decently quality. You just kind of do your research on all these coins, invest more time into it. 1inch, like these are all coins that potentially in the future could make a surge all the way up to the top 10. Potentially even loop ring. But yeah, it's just kind of how I invest, and I try to find those really quality projects that are a bit safe, bit blue chip, but are going to yield me crazy returns. So regardless, the number 3 project, we're going to be sticking with Bancor. Let's go ahead to DeFiPulse.com. I want to show you guys this right now. Bancor is basically all the way up to number 13 in terms of TVL. Let's go ahead and check out. The TVL has gone from November 18th, sorry, $47 million all the way up to what it's at now, $558 million. This thing is going all the way up to $1 billion. This is just the growth is quite frankly tremendous. We haven't really seen much like this, and a lot of this is because they solved, I believe it's called the single side liquidity problem or something like that. They solved a huge problem recently, and it's one that no DEX has been able to figure out basically. But yeah, that with that announcement, if you guys want to check that out, Bancor posted it on their Twitter. If you guys want to just do a quick search to their Twitter, they'll explain it better than I could, what they're doing. But this one project has basically rocketed them into the top 100, up 36% this week. And if we remember, this is a Coinbase coin, Coinbase Pro coin. It's on those major exchanges and it has a lot of exposure. So what you want to do is find these coins like Bancor with a very small market cap that are on these major exchanges and have exposure to a lot of people, because these are the coins that are going to pump. So yeah, Bancor is my next coin that is going to round up the list. 3 out of 3 coins that I'm buying right now. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments real quick, what are your picks for the next coming days, coming weeks, coming months? How long do you think this next wave is going to last? And yeah, basically going to do it for this one, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for all the support in the last video. Hopefully this one does just as well. New videos every single day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.